Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 tips on how to achieve acne-free, clear skin, healthy looking skin, glowing skin, vibrant skin, just all the above. Because I get asked so many times what my skincare regimen is and just what do I do to maintain clear skin. And I feel like honestly, y'all, we get so caught up on what products somebody is using. But I feel like over the years, I have realized that it's less about the products and it's more about what are you doing outside of just applying a face wash and a face mask. Like, what are you doing to be intentional about your skincare, your overall health, and trying to maintain and stay consistent with, clear skin? Because I can apply all the products that somebody told me I should apply, but if I don't really take action and be intentional about the everyday process, it doesn't do anything. I'll still have breakouts. My skin will still look dull. So that's what this video is going to be about. My tips to share to y'all on just how I have gotten my skin this way and what you could do to get your skin to be in the best shape possible. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first tip that I want to share with you guys is keeping your hair out of your face. I know it sounds hard to do because, this day and age, we all want to have our hair out and about and things like that. But I have realized that if I wear my hair consistently, hitting my forehead, hitting my cheeks, over and over and over, all that hair oil, all those hair products, it ends up getting on your skin. And honestly, our skin is pretty sensitive. So imagine all that dirt, all of those oils, all that product getting on your face consistently on an everyday basis. It can easily build up and that creates breakouts. So I always suggest just kind of pulling your hair back. It doesn't have to be every day. You can still wear your hair out, but just don't do it every single day. So give it a try and see just how much of a difference your skin does when you do let your skin breathe and you don't allow too many things to touch it throughout the week. My second tip is exfoliating. So exfoliating, y'all, I know I mentioned it before, but it's so important. No matter what time of the year it is, you have to exfoliate. And if you guys don't know what exfoliating is, it's just using something similar to this. So some sort of heavier duty facial scrub that really kind of polishes the skin and gets rid of all of that dirt, the dry skin, the dead skin. It just gets rid of everything. And I feel like whenever you polish your skin, it really helps your skin look much more vibrant. Imagine as time goes on, if you aren't exfoliating, you're just accumulating more and more dirt and dead skin. And just imagine how dull your skin will probably look over time. I noticed that whenever I exfoliate every other day, my skin just starts to look much more vibrant and that kind of gives that glowy effect. I usually lean towards a St. Ives scrubs, but I do have more expensive, more high-end scrubs that I do use whenever I want a really good polish. Those are my self-care days. So my products do change, but I do consistently exfoliate every other day. And when I tell y'all it makes a difference, it makes a huge difference. And I should probably just mention what my typical everyday skincare routine is. It is to first remove any makeup with a makeup wipe. I usually wear makeup once to twice a week, so it's not that often, but if I do have makeup on, I will first use a makeup wipe to get all that initial makeup off. Then I will wash my face with the African black soap or some sort of more mild face wash. Then I go in with exfoliating my face, and I always exfoliate whenever I have makeup on. But if I haven't worn makeup, I'll usually do it every other day. And then I will tone my skin and apply a moisturizer. So it's pretty simple, but I think that the key part there is definitely exfoliating because it really gets all of the excess off. And then also toning. So if you guys don't know what toner is, it is a liquid product that you apply to your skin after you wash your face, and that just helps to pick up any excess oil and dirt that may still be left around after you wash your face and exfoliated. You will be surprised that there is still some oil and still some dirt that is still left even after doing all those steps. And so toning, at least for me, is a precautionary and preventative step that I have realized makes a huge impact in your skincare routine. It's just crazy because you'll think you got everything off after washing your face, but whenever you apply a toner, you really get to see that there is still some dirt left on your skin, and it's just so refreshing to wipe off any excess and then just to see it on like your cotton ball or your cotton pad, and just realize that like, then you got everything off because you went in and did that extra step and you got that extra oil off, and now your skin is like clean. And I also think that it somehow contributed to my hyperpigmentation after I had Valerie, because if you guys don't know, I had really bad acne, but especially hyperpigmentation whenever I was pregnant. And during that time, I really started to be more diligent about toning my skin almost every single day. And somehow, some way, it just like slowly started to kind of fade away. And I don't really have any hyperpigmentation anymore. And I think it's due to not only me just exfoliating and really getting off that dead skin, but also taking the extra step to tone my skin. So just doing those different steps, yes, it may be tedious, but there is nothing like having a clean slate. Also, eating healthy. That is a huge one that we don't really realize affects our skin and our overall health, but it really does make an impact. I 100% notice whenever I'm not eating the best and I'm eating like super greasy food and just food that's not really good for me, I break out extremely fast whenever I'm not eating that well. And my skin looks super dull, like there is no glow at all. So whenever you're eating, try to take into account like how it could affect your skin. And I'm not saying I eat clean 24/7. I eat clean like maybe 70 to 80% of the time, but even that 80% really makes a huge impact on just my overall health, first off, like internally, but it also makes a difference on how clear my skin is. So if you're realizing that you are not eating the best, you are not eating your fruits and vegetables and, you know, all those different kind of things, and you're suffering from acne, I would try switching over to a more healthier diet. Drink water. Drink lots and lots and lots of water. I think that may be like the number one tip, the major key to achieving acne-free skin is drinking lots and lots and lots of water, because one, it really helps to flush out all the toxins, all the nasty stuff in our body. It clears us. But it's just something about water that makes your skin like pop. I don't know what the science is behind it, but y'all, when I tell you, and I think that also contributed to why I had such bad acne, like in middle school and high school, was because I never drank water. Like never. I would always drink juice or soda. For some reason, I hated water. I didn't like the taste of water. I didn't like to drink water. I hardly ever drank water. And I'm pretty sure that's why I just had such bad acne, because like, what was I doing? I don't know. But these days, I pretty much only drink water. And y'all, it works. It works. It works. So if you are struggling, just try drinking like a gallon of water a day. And I promise you'll see a difference. And also get a good amount of sleep. Everybody needs sleep, and we need a good amount of it. Like 7 to 8 hours of sleep at least, I think is a healthy way to live your life. I've realized that whenever I don't sleep that well, or if I sleep for like 5 or 6 hours, my skin gets super stressed out. I look so dull. I look like I'm tired. I look just exhausted. And you can tell like just how much my skin is going through whenever I don't get enough sleep. So now I make it my mission to at least get 7 hours of sleep. 7 to 8 hours is my happy place. And I wake up feeling so refreshed, and I feel like being refreshed shows on my face and through my skin. So if you are not getting a lot of sleep, let's make some changes to readjust our sleep schedule and start getting like 8 hours of sleep. I know it can be hard sometimes, y'all, but we have to try to make sleeping a priority. Last but not least is to never fall asleep with makeup on. Don't. Don't do it, because your skin will hate you so much in the morning. And I know it can be hard, especially if you go out late at night, you come home and you're tired. I've gotten to the point now where I keep makeup wipes in my car just so I can take my makeup off in the car before I get home, because I know once I get home, I'll be too tired to do anything. Sleeping in your makeup is so bad, because all you're doing is just allowing that dirt to just sit for such a long time. And just imagine how that affects your skin if you let it sit there overnight. Like, come on. It's just not good for your skin, and you end up breaking out. You get a rash. It's not good at all for your skin. So try your best to not fall asleep with your makeup on. And of course, if all else fails, there is nothing wrong at all with going to a dermatologist. I used to go to one, but I think I realized that, at least for me, it wasn't so much a skin condition that I thought I had. It was just me not taking proper care of my skin. And that's just what it was. Once I started to really make my skin and my health a priority, things switched, and they switched pretty quick too. So I wish I would have tried all these tips first before going to a dermatologist instead of the other way around. Because if I would have started to prioritize these tips, and I would have started to drink tons of water, eat cleaner, be active, and just those different things, I'm sure I could have cleared my skin a long time ago. So yeah, but you know what, you live and you learn, and my job here is to share what I have learned with you guys. So I really hope these tips help. I really do. So give them a try and let me know how your skin reacts to them. If you guys have any other questions, please go ahead and comment them down below, and I will be happy to answer them for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye, guys.